Christina and her workshop were both really great. She managed to make really complex ideas easy to understand and gave a range of really vivid examples to highlight the applicability of what she was talking about. I feel like I've emerged from the workshop with a set of concrete tools and strategies that I can now take away and apply to my everyday life. I highly recommend Christina's workshops for anybody who wants to be a little bit more productive and to enjoy doing it.
That's the thing with me, is that I've got a lot of tasks I need to do. None of them really have time frames, so it's easy for me to be unproductive. Now Christina has given me 6 or 8 skills I can now use to assist me becoming more productive and making better use of my day.
This is a really great workshop. Christina is a really good presenter who's able to mix theory and practice really well, and she cites everything, so I can follow up what she said if I want more details. But I know it's scientifically backed, and I really appreciate that.